baby.
It's so hard to get it tight or something.
Daisy enough.
I think she's actually causing a water bolt with rattling there. Make a wee like